1, 2, 3.
Alright, so today we are at Wegmans and we're going to be buying the hottest peppers possible and then eating them.
I just got told this.
Yeah, no, he doesn't know.
He doesn't know what's going to happen. It's going to be a good time, so let's roll it. Alright, so we are currently in the store right now trying to find the hottest thing they have here, but I'm not going to ask anyone for help, so this might take a while.
I don't like talking to people.
5 minutes later.
Project did you? We're in the dog food section trying to find peppers. What is wrong with you?
Know how to shop.
Where are we going?
Where are you going? No, it's in the food area.
The pet food area.
Alright, we have been
Guaranteed they're
looking
not.
for about 5 minutes now, but we have found the pepper section. There's a decent selection here. So they even have a scale up here of how hot they are. So we're gonna try to find the hottest one of these. Yeah, it's probably this one in the bag. Here's a jalapeno. That's 2,500 to 5,000, and we go all the way up to 100,000 to 350,000.
How would you suck on my peppers?
Alright, so we got the habaneros. We are going to go now set this up and eat these.
Genius.
I had a family size bag Skittles earlier.
Hey, how much does that weigh?
Actually,
About 3 pounds.
Oh my god.
Wait, 3 pounds of Skittles?
Alright, so we have the peppers out now. We each have 3.
He doesn't
Because I'm
because
not an idiot. I have
we got a bucket,
Yeah, this we have a bucket.
We got a
in
bucket.
case things go wrong.
we got some Tums.
And we have water because we don't have any milk. And yeah, we can't make this
Yeah.
easy. The rules, we have to chew the entire thing up and then swallow it, no swallowing it whole.
That seems like that's pretty much it. We're gonna do the best we can. We're gonna see what happens. We're gonna be in pain. You're gonna watch us suffer.
Why do you do this to me?
So here we go.
No.
All right, gents, come on.
Come on, I do the worst one. I'm grabbing one of these. 1, 2.
Oh my.
1, 2, 3.
How is it?
That hurts.
I can't swallow it.
Why do we do this? This is a horrible idea.
Oh my god.
I'm crying.
Wait, why do we do this?
I don't know why we did this.
Yeah, you guys want some, want some of these?
Like, it takes so long for it to come back on. Oh my gosh.
Burn it back.
That's not a shot.
It's definitely the spiciest thing that they have at Wegmans. Why are the bags of these so big?
I don't know. I literally, like, salivated. It feels weird. It's literally just spitting it up. Oh, that's not fun. This is just hurting my f***ing tongue. I'm not helping you. I have so many of these things. Oh my god. You're a pound. Acid reflux. It's coming back.
Got some chips.
Oh my god.
Those are barbecue flavored.
No? Oh, the salt burns. Oh, the salt wasn't a good idea. Oh.
Am I the only one who's crying? You only had half the pepper.
Dude, no, I got all the seeds.
Eat the other half.
Give me a bit.
I can feel it in my esophagus. Alright, we have just eaten 1 pepper apiece. My mouth is
Yeah.
red right now. I think that's all we're gonna eat because that
We're not doing it back.
Oh my gosh. So the ice actually helps a lot.
That's what dolphins sound like, right?
Alright, so that'll wrap it for this video.
But yeah, we suffered a lot. So
We suffered a lot for this video. So make sure to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button as well, upload the bell icon next to that, and check out all the links in the video description, and we will see you next time. Peace.
peace.